Skydio just came out with a really cool update for the drone that I have, which allows it to land on the case because the case has their logo on it. So I made a little arts and crafts project here. It's construction paper on a piece of plywood, and we're going to use it as a rooftop helipad because I like to take off and land from the roof. So I plan on putting that up in the area where I can reach the drone actually. And I've tried it a couple different times and it's landed exactly within 2 inches or so, exactly on the logo there. So we're going to try it on the Jeep as a little trial mission here. He's along and the Skydio's with us. Woo! Going a dirt road. The end of our mission here, or we're into the battery maybe, and we stop. What I'm going to do now is to end my motion track, bring the drone up a bit higher, and bring the camera down. Brings up the shadow of the drone like this. Just kind of near in the proximity of my roof, and let's land. Finds the helipad. Oh, I better get it right. I have confidence. Landed on the roof. Reach up there and pull it inside. Never have to get out of the driver's seat.